wall, standing tall, still he wants some more. Rockstone Island, let there be a castle, Edward said. Awe and wonder, fear and dread, we build his castle high. Portaton Island, he stole the lands he's here for good. He cares all where we stood, and no one wants to die. And no one wants to die.
The castle has seen sieges, seen the abdication of kings, it's seen Celtic battles, it's seen the realisation of tribes, but it all happened on this rock. And if it hadn't been for this rock being a promontory out in the estuary, it wouldn't have been put here. So we know that strategically this is a very important place.
A project like this brings all three different counties together in North East Wales. So we've got a school from Flintshire, a school from Denbighshire, they're all from different areas. So I feel the project has brought them together and they've learnt lots of different skills. A number of them are going off to professional colleges, professional universities to study dance. So working in an environment like this, as you can see all the rocks, the stones and the floor, is such a massive achievement to be able to bring a piece of dance to a place like this.
What the children have achieved over the 3 years in the different disciplines of drama, art and music, it's profound. And I think the legacy that they will take with them after this production will be one of remembering Flint Castle for what it is, for what it was, and hopefully what it will be in the future.
My part in the production's been the ringmaster, so I had quite a few scenes with that, and I've also done a few other little parts as well, but just being even the tiniest part has just been absolutely amazing, being able to see it all come together and everything.
This project has been amazing. We've had loads of new experience, gained lots of new skills, and it's just been like a pleasure to be a part of it, really.
The castle itself, everyone who's come to it, whether they've lived close or far, have walked in and been amazed and had no idea that it was here.
What I've learned about this project is the history of the grounds of Flint Castle, and what happened here years ago.
My job has been to open up the books, open up the vision of the castle, open up the history of the castle and make it as important now as it was for Edward and the Romans when they used it strategically as a defence and attack point.
Being part of the Olympics is just an amazing feeling. It's once in a lifetime to be able to be involved in everything. Just backstage, everyone's worked so hard and it's been absolutely, it really has amazing to be involved with it. Just so proud, to be honest.
Music was brilliant and the children, oh, they're fantastic.
I thought it was wonderful.
It was absolutely brilliant, really enjoyed it, and the kids enjoyed it, not a dull moment all the way through it. Absolutely brilliant.
It was a lovely performance, everyone seemed to enjoy it, all the children, everyone watching, it was fantastic. Despite the weather, it was brilliant.